If your geode keeps crashing in Geometry Dash, don't worry, this usually happens because of a mod problem. Sometimes a mod you installed might not work properly with your device or with the current version of the game. When that happens, the game may crash every time you try to open it. Here's a quick fix you can try. First, open Geode, then go to Settings. After that, tap File Manager. This will open the Geode folder on your device. Next, go to the Game folder and then open the Mods folder. Inside this folder, you'll see all the mods you installed. Try removing the mod that might be causing the crash. If you're not sure which one it is, start by deleting the most recently installed mod or remove them one at a time until Geometry Dash stops crashing. After that, open the game again and check if it works. And that's it, your Geometry Dash Geode crash should now be fixed. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.